we're looking at most of my knife and knife-to-be collection. There's a few more here and there, but I want to focus on a specific one, this red one right here. Now, some of you might already know what this is, and if I go like this, now some of you might know what this is. This is indeed a Swiss Army knife. I didn't know it was a Swiss Army knife until just today, actually. I've had it a couple of years now, but I never knew that it was a legit Swiss Army knife. And you can see it looks a little beat up here. That's because recently this got ran over by a Chevy Suburban. My bad. And for those of you who don't realize this, a Chevy Suburban isn't like a little Honda Civic that can't even crush a pop can. A Chevy Suburban weighs 2.5 tons. So that's a lot of weight for a knife. And it was on a blacktop driveway that's been tarred, so that's what this black is from. That'd probably scrub off, and probably the worst, it is kind of scratched up. Let's see if it'll focus nice on that. There we go, you can see it's kind of scratched up, but I think the black would come off actually. Now, the only real damage from that is right there. There's a small crack, and that made it worse. There's a small crack right there. Let me back it off a little bit there. Now you can see it pretty good. Besides that, let me set the camera down. The iPhone, to be exact. Oh, come on, I just had it set down now. Why won't it? There we go. Now I'll show you. This tweezers still comes out perfectly fine. Toothpick, perfect. Here's the bottle opener / possibly a screwdriver, flathead, perfect. And it's got a little notch there. Might be able to use that for something. And might I add, no slop whatsoever. And finally, the blade. Switzerland. Victronic Switzerland stainless Rasta free. Wow, that's nice. Sorry about that. Stupid phone tipped over. Maybe I'll just hold it. Anyways, though, after being run over, the blade has absolutely no slop in it in any direction. It locks in firm, is very sharp, and it has no slop side to side. This side it says Officer Swiss, or I think that says Swiss. I'm not very good at pronouncing things. But there's absolutely no side to side slop in this blade after being run over. And I have no idea how old this thing is. I haven't used it too much, but I don't know how used it got before it was mine. So all I have to say is Swiss Army knives are built if they can be run over and still be in great condition.